I'm Kiara. I am a serial entrepreneur based out of O'Fallon, Illinois. Collaboration will make your business. You not collaborating will break your business. You can't do everything. You can't serve everyone, and you can't go out there to find your ideal clientele by yourself. I have an event planning business, and I find myself collaborating a lot with other event planners, not thinking of them as my competition, but when we partner together, it is magical. I hate doing balloon work. I will not do it. So what I do is I call in another event planner who does balloons, and together we work on the same project. It builds a relationship between the two of us. So if that person has a client that calls and say, hey, I need you to do a wedding for me. And they may say, I'm booked, but you know what? I know Kiara and she may be able to do it. They have passed that person on to me. Who can you surround yourself around that's in your industry? And even other industries that may accent your company. Maybe you can build a relationship with a DJ. DJs are always working with clients who may mention in conversation, okay, now we got to find an event planner. Oh, well, you have built a relationship with the DJ that can think of you to say your name in a room that you're not sitting in.